Why, hello there. My name is Swa, and I will be walking you through how to optimize an avatar for VR chat. I'll be going through all the steps on how to reduce poly count, material count, and texture size. Depending on the complexity or simplicity of your avatar, your results may vary and be even lower than what we were able to receive in this video. So if you know how to start your project, you can skip on over to video number 5, and let's begin. So first things first, I'm going to create a new project with Alcom. This is an alternative to VCC, and this one just works a little bit better with my workflow. So what we're gonna do is just gonna create the new project with its name. I'm gonna name it accordingly to this video. We're gonna hit create. And then it'll take a few seconds depending on the speed of your computer, and here we are. This displays all of the packages installed in your project, but we're just gonna open Unity. Again, depending on the speed of your computer, this may take a while, so grab a coffee or take a break. So now that Unity has opened, I'm going to go into my folder that I was supplied an example project from and drag in the Unitypackage to my asset folder. This again will take a couple seconds depending on the speed of your computer. I'm going to select all of the assets that are supposed to be added to the project, and I'm just going to hit import. And again, this may take a few minutes, so just take another break. So now that we've successfully imported the Unity package, we're going to take a look around the scene. You can see that the avatar is pink. That's just because the shaders are missing. We will address that in a future video. But first, let's address the pink elephant in the room. Yes, very poor. But fret not, I will be showing you how to fix all of this in the future videos.